Hey y'all, CC here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. I'm just starting this vlog super late. It's about like 7 o'clock, and I just made it to my local park by my house. It's really beautiful here, and I just sit. I like to walk, and then I brought my notebook too. I don't care. Today is just a day. When I'm walking, I'm thinking. I got some ideas. Also, I'm waiting for my Amazon book to arrive. So I just left. So hopefully I'll have a surprise when I get back home. But yeah, I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna show you guys why this is like my favorite park. Let me just ask you guys, like, what do you do when you get like disappointment? When disappointment just shows up in your life, like what do you do? Like usually, let me roll up my windows. Like I've always been that type of person. Like my mind, as soon as I get like the disappointment or whatever, like my mind just kicks in like, girl, you got this, you know what to do. Quit tripping, moving, and then, you know, I just get to other alternatives. But don't you get tired? You want to just like not expect disappointment, especially when it has to do with other human beings. Don't you just want to think that everybody can act with like integrity? If I remove other people out of the equation of my life, like I would absolutely never have disappointment. But is that reality? Is that even like a true reality? No. But I know it comes, but it's just stupid. It's just stupid. So I just had to get out of the house, clear my head a little bit. Just, you know, I do expect, I just expect more. And my, you know, I don't know. I don't even know how to put it. I just needed to get out the house and just reset my mind a little bit. Reset this. Like my mind was already like, boom, you know, you ain't stopping what you're doing. And it's not a setback, you know. Dusk right now. It's a nice, let me show you. So that's the clouds and how the sun looks. Hey, let me start walking. This is like one of my favorite parks in the world. Like, put smiles on my face all the time. y'all see me, honey? So let me pull out my notebook. It's a lot going on for some people around. Move this down a little bit. Oh, down something. So this is where, let me see. Should have brought something to hold it up on. So this is one of my favorite places to be out in the elements with the water and stuff around me. It just feels so like refreshing to me. I just want to live on a beach. I'm telling you, I should have been born a mermaid. I'm telling you. But I wrote down some things yesterday or last night after I was reading a passage on, you know, focusing, really focusing on what you want, really focusing on what you want. And like I said, when distraction or disappointment come into your life, I mean, we human, right? So like, I just felt some type of way today, but I love the grace of God, how my mind can just automatically click and say, you know what, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna stay positive and we're gonna figure it out. And for me, adapting that type of mentality always presents an abundance of opportunities for me that I can't even, like, it just brings people and things to you. It attracts them to you to help you get to your goals. So I'm grateful for having that type of mentality, but I just needed to have like a release, literally. And this is like a perfect place because I've never been here this late. I usually come in the daytime, so this is very nice to just sit, and I found some good lighting. So I'm excited. I'm happy about that. So last night, like I said, I was reading something on focusing, staying focused on what you want to achieve. Don't put it down. Always keep an eye on it. Always measure and things like that. And then what came to me after that was what I wrote in my journal. I wrote that I am committed to what the universe will return to me for declaring my wants. Meaning, we should never feel ungrateful for what we want. We should always feel like we deserve this. It's just a path to get to it. It's just a certain type of focus and salvation that needs to go along with it. Like, it's like making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. How you gonna make the peanut butter and jelly sandwich without no bread? How you gonna make the peanut butter and jelly sandwich without the jelly? How you gonna make the peanut butter and jelly sandwich without the peanut butter? It just don't make sense, right? So I was just thinking about this, and you know what? This is gonna be my mantra for a while. You know, I don't have to give it up and go to anything. I can actually add to it all the time. Having clarity, moving with purpose, moving with focus and motivation to have the things that I deserve and I want. It is so nice to be out here. So nice. And I honestly, truly believe like deep down in everything in my being, I honestly, truly believe that, what was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? I forgot. Hello. It is nice and cool. Yeah, I usually come in here in the daytime. I've never come at night. And I bet, aren't they about to close soon? Like, don't they close like at dusk or nighttime?
What did you say?
Don't they close the park like soon? Isn't the park gonna close soon?
The other day I was here, so
Yeah.
and every day the sunset is so, I mean, shorter and shorter.
I know. I noticed that today.
A while ago, I took a picture.
Good. Helen was spilling the tea, honey. She was spilling the tea. Like, all that riffraff. Hey, y'all. So I just got back in the house. Drinking my cucumber lime water, but my Amazon package came. And remember me telling, yeah, it's a book. It's a book. Let me show you the book that I got. And I love, I just got a book from, excuse me, I just got a book from, move this out the way. Where was it? Walmart. I read the first page or two and I did not like it at all. So that's going back. What I got today from Amazon was this book, Energy Speaks. So I'm excited. And then I have another book coming tomorrow. So yeah, I'm about to get into this. This is going to be my nightly reading. For the weekend, it is Energy Speaks, Messages from Spirit on Living, Loving, and Awakening by Lee Harris. So if you guys want me to read this and then give you some insight on this book, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'm going to chill and read this book.
This what happen when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah, I start reminiscing you. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. You used to call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. And I know when the whole line blink, that could only mean one thing, yeah. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all this you should lie to me, to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? Said I'm in California, dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. Yeah, I forgot how I felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between a million miles. secret of both of us. We're running out of time. Yeah, we're running out of time. Yeah. So hello from the other side. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times. Must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. When I call you, never seem to be home. It was some hello, pretty girl. Yeah, yeah, yeah. At least I can say that I tried. At least I can say that to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart. It don't matter if
I am literally trying to leave out the door, but the Little Women of Atlanta got me watching this TV, so I'm trying to get out of here very, very soon. Let me tell y'all, it's hotter than that thing out here, seriously. I finally got out the house. I wasn't gonna watch no more snippets of the show that was coming on next in order for me to get out of the house. So it's about 2 o'clock. I think I'm gonna go get my nails done. I know I'm getting my toes done, but I was kind of iffy on my nails, but I might as well, I might as well get those done too. And where else do I have to go? It was somewhere, I don't know. I did my lashes. But honey, I'm debating on if these are gonna come off before I go to bed, because I like to go to bed with like nothing, totally everything off me. It's Sunday, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of self-care. I just felt a little sad this morning when I got up, so I'm gonna practice some self-care and just some more thinking and just some other type of stuff. So that's what we're doing today. Let me turn down my air conditioner. But I just wanted to just like I just wanted to sit here, and I'm gonna drive and talk because it's my vlog. But no, taking, inventory of my feelings and just how I feel today. I don't know. I woke up, like I was telling y'all yesterday, I'm pretty much very, self-regulated. So I don't let too many people, oops, that was railroad tracks. But I don't even think this is idiot right. That's why it's all over the place. They're shaking a lot today. What is going on? What is going on? Maybe it's this road. I don't know. But that's weird. I don't think I got the phone in, but I'm not gonna worry about that because it's gonna throw me off what my message of what I'm trying to get out today, and I don't want to forget. I don't know. Like I said, I'm a pretty much self-regulated person, like to the point where it's so tight. It can be so tight that it's not realistic. Because how can you live so cautiously that like people are not allowed in, and it's too based on a lot of trust. Ooh, it's hot. What is going on? Two is just based on a lot of trusting other people. So that's a whole nother talk on a whole nother vlog. But anyway, so I got some disappointing whatever, but flight or flight kicked in right away. Then first I was mad, then I slowly got sad, then I built up to the courage, like, look girl, you can do whatever, you know, from anywhere, anytime you want to. Like, what is you tripping on? You always have opportunities present themselves. You are not the type of person that will sit around and wait for things. You are proactive. You go after what you want. You declare what you want. And this is just a mental play. A mental play for what you already focused on. And so, like, that's how I was feeling yesterday, but still, like, today, I just woke up, like, sad. And I know before, like, my anxiety was really, really high. And, like, when my kids was little, as a single mom, like, I never had time to cry. It was like, well, this is what happened to you. Get over it and keep it moving. So for a long time, I'm going to say I didn't allow myself to cry and to heal from different things. But, you know, going forward, and the things that I started taking inventory of within myself to just be in a better place for me. You know, I'm noticing some things. So before, like, when my anxiety was high a couple months ago, I would just wake up and just cry for no reason. And that's how I feel today. It's just like, what the hell is you crying for? Like, I don't know, but that's just how I'm feeling. That's a little bit. So I'm going to, what is going on? It must be the road. I don't know. And my camera not set up good. But today I'm just having a splurge day. Like I said, I didn't celebrate my birthday on my birthday or during my birthday because I just had such a mental block. I had a mental block, like, with my identity, not my identity like male, female, not my identity, like nothing like that, like mental identity on focus, mental identity on deserving, you know, what I deserve, mental identity crisis on, do I move, like spiritually, the movement that I'm making, is it spiritually aligned with where I'm going? So month later, now about the end of September, now I'm feeling in celebrating, I should say, my birthday. Now I'm feeling all that. And today is just the day, you know, the first finna come, this going on, that's going on. I'm trying to, you know, keep on reiterating to my son how much, you know, how important financial responsibility is. Like, that's a whole nother mental game right there, because I remember when I was my kid's age, like, well, younger, even younger than my kid's age, like 18, I was out. Boom, I was out. I had me a good job. I even had a child by then, and I was paying my own bills, you know. But the world ain't like that. And I love my son. And I wish that they would just, I just wish my son was more mental instead of physical, which I think, most all boys go through. Like my son he just like me. He will work 40 jobs, truthfully like 2 or 3 at the same time, plus still do a side hustle. And it's just like, I'm just looking at him, through him, and reaching out to myself, and the advice that I give him today is the advice that I give myself today for how I ran my life back then when I was his age, but I had kids, so that's what it's like, when I have advice for my son, I have advice for the 20-year-old Katani, and it is just so interesting. It's just so interesting to see that, to just be in the presence of that. But what was I saying? What the heck was I saying? I don't know. But I'm just feeling all these different emotions today. I'm just like, you know what? This gonna come, that's gonna come. Don't worry about it. I just need to feel, and you know what? Spending money can make you feel a whole lot of ways, spending money, but genuine, and I'm not saying like me spending money is gonna make me feel better, because it's not. That's something, this is something I work on every day. I work on things like every single day. But I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. Anyway, so I read that book. I read the first chapter of Energy Healing. I got that from Amazon yesterday. I have another book coming today, which I'm excited about. But I think what I'm going to do, because there was a lot of very, very interesting things. I'm telling you, just in the first chapter alone that I identified with. You know how when you have, when you are doing something, you're already doing it. And it was this other book that I read that says everything in life, the past and the present, works parallel together in time. Like time is irrelevant because the past and the present actually works parallel at the same time. So with that being said, this book, I feel like some of the things that I've come across in chapter 1, I just feel like I've already been doing it, or a little of it, or know of it, some familiarity to it. However, I just can't articulate a lot of things. Like I find that very often, like things that I do or have been doing, like somebody wrote it in a book, and this book was written 5-10 years ago, but I couldn't articulate it. I needed them to help me to articulate it. That's why I'm telling you. Remember back in the day at school when they used to have those first of all, they had book it programs, then they had the Scholastic thing, and then they had the book fair. I was all over all of that when I was going to school, and it's so interesting. Like I loved that stuff, not just because you get the free pizza, but because I genuinely love books. And one thing that resonated with me in the book that I got yesterday, this energy healing book, was that you may have books around you that you don't even read, but they are subliminal affirmations. And that's so true. That is so true. Like, I have my own bookshelf, and in my life, I want my own library, whether it be in my house or I donated, you know, for a certain cause to women, whatever. I want my own library. I want my own personal library. Because if you go into somebody's house, let me tell you, if you go into somebody's house and you just pick up the books that they read, you'll know a lot about the person. You will know a lot about the person if you just like pay attention to what they're building over there. Pay attention to what those people are reading. So that's why I keep my books really in my bedroom, in the closet, or like shelving in my bedroom, because like anybody can know you as a person through those books. I'm telling you. And I peeped that long time ago. Is this row going into 2? Yeah. I peeped that like a long time ago. So, yeah, I thought that was very interesting. I get it. Like, I get it. The books that you have around you, whether you read them or not, those are actual your affirmations. You have your affirmations around you, so you don't even have to write. Even though I love to write, I keep a lot of books and I love to write. I have journals everywhere in my house, but I get it. It totally makes sense. It totally makes sense to me. So that was comforting to know, because too, like, if I'm ever like not in this world no more, I want my kids to know and my grandkids to know the value of my books. I mean, I love when I go to like used bookstores and I pick up books that I'm interested in, and then I see that somebody has like that same thing that I'm reading resonated with them, and then they annotated that book. Like, annotation means like to highlight, to underline, mark up, basically. So they've put their own personal marks on this book, and you don't meet the person, but you two already got something in common. They found that particular thing interesting, you find it interesting. So it's cool. It's real cool. How much longer I got? Ooh. So, and books are just so comforting to me. They're like so comforting. They're like my support system when I'm not talking to people, you know, when you can't talk to people. They're like your support system, basically. So yeah, I'm very excited to continue with that book when I have time today. What I was going to do, or what I will be doing, let me just rephrase that. What I will be doing is doing a book review series on this particular book. So I'll do a series, and if you guys want to see it, you know, let me know, or click something. I don't know how that goes, but it's going to be an actual series, broken down by chapter on, oh goodness, this is horrible, on this book, Energy Healing, with some other stuff to complement, you know, my review on each chapter. So if you want to see that, that's coming, but it's going to be separate from this video. I just wanted to let you all know how comforting it was to me. And you know what? If you know me personally like that, you may get a book from me. I mean, now I give books as gifts. Like if I found something very nice that I felt that benefited my life, I start to give the gift of knowledge. Ain't I so cute? So yeah, I like doing stuff like that. Yeah, so I guess what else is going on today? I just want to have a chill day, honestly. Just a little chill day. I know when I get home, I am going to release some clutter out of my life. I will be doing that. I will be releasing some clutter, so I feel better. I'm getting it out. What did I just drop my phone?
That's what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing you. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know when the whole line blink, that could only mean one thing, yeah. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you lied to me, to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? Said I'm in California, dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. Yeah, I forgot and now.
Yeah, so I just got out the nail place. I got my nails. This is really gonna bother me. It's really just gonna bother me. So I got my nails from as wide and oval as they were to almond, which is good. I don't know, but so I did that. One thing I don't like, first of all, she told me, every time you come, you always give me a hard time. How is it a hard time? Because I want you to do my nails the way I want you to do them. Hey y'all, it's about, I don't know, what time is it? Maybe like 8:30 or something. I watched TV for a little bit after I came home, and now it's not really too much stuff on, so yeah, just thought I would get ready to do a couple things before I end this vlog. I got a delivery from Amazon, so I'm gonna unbox this, and it's flat, so you should know what it is if you heard me earlier, what I was expecting. And then today, let me hold this up some. Is that too much? So came back today, sat down, watched a little bit of TV, just relaxed for a little bit, because I kind of haven't been vlogging all weekend, but I have been vlogging like all weekend, so I just needed some time to myself. It's done. You guys are probably seeing better now. I don't know. What is this? Girl. Anywho. Alright. Anywho. So, I'm happy to say my delivery from Amazon came, so it was waiting for me when I got back. Also, because I sell these wonderful things, I had a sale. Well, I still have my at-home inventory, so I just sold three for $400 because I need to get rid of them. So I'm selling my at-home inventory for a deep discount. So if you are familiar with TLC products, please put it in the comments in the chat, or if you would like for me to if you'd like to know what my discounts are and how deeply discounts these things are on sale, then put a $ in the comments, and then I'll reach out to you and get some more information. Different channel, not a YouTube channel, selling channel. So I had these posted up for the price that she got them for, and then I was like, hey, well, did you need any more products, because I have more at a discount? And she was like, yeah, raspberry tea. So she's getting this too. And I'm giving her all of these. I'm giving her this bag. If you guys can see. This bag, and what I'm including in here is, I just threw a whole bunch of, you know, stuff in there for her. What is that? A sea moss, like some immunity sachets, just a couple single raspberry ones which she bought. The Fight for your smoothies or whatever. Oh, it's upside down. What else? Latin coffee, Delgado coffee, and yeah. So I just put all this stuff. All this stuff is going in this bag right here when I send it to her. I'm just going to take care of this tomorrow and get everything to her. And what I got was, I'm so excited, this book. The Power of Creativity. Learn how to build lasting habits, face your fears, and change your life. Book number 1. I love this cover. See that? As you can see, I'm a bookworm. I'm a book nerd. And I love just searching for information. And for me, truthfully, I was just feeling like I needed somebody else's, with me being on, just starting my YouTube channel and wanting to be consistent and want to just continuously focus on my identity and how I can bring that to YouTube in my own way, not trying to be like, you know, everybody else. Even though you may, you know, new YouTubers like myself, we may ride the wave on what's the topics that are, you know, really producing, you know, an audience. I get that. But 2, I just want to, because this is a new habit for me. It's a very new habit for me, and I just want to be able, to be confident in my creative identity, if that makes sense. Yeah. And I mean, you will take things from different YouTubers, of course, because they've been doing it long enough. You see, you know, their audience, whatever, this and that. But I just want to be true to my creative identity. That's all I'm saying. So I was needing some more insight, some more, just some more aura. And I wanted to get into somebody else's brain. You know what I mean? So that's the good things of books. They help you get into other people's brains. I'm about to clean up my house. It's chaos in here. Clean up, just do a little bit of a little intentional flow for my new week, because I didn't have a lot going on, but I had enough going on. So I definitely want to get into my intentional flow and ride that into next week and just be great. So thank you for watching this vlog. I appreciate everybody. Just don't forget to subscribe. So I'm headed out to just chill, clean and chill, and just enjoy the rest of my Sunday. So you guys have a great night. Bye.